Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to log out from Facebook. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. So first of all, open up Facebook app. If you want to log out from your Facebook account on a current device, you can go to menu and then just scroll down and tap add logout and then log out again. After that you will be logged out from that particular Facebook account on the particular device. If you want to log out from any devices wherever Facebook profile or Facebook account might be signed in, all you have to do is just go to settings, then see more in account center. After that, password and security, where you are logged in, then just stop at your Facebook account and it will show you login activity for the particular account. I got just one device here, that is my iPhone 11 browser. If you allow into your Facebook account on multiple devices, you will see the list of the devices right here, and then we can tap at select device to log out. After that we will be able to select multiple devices at the same time, or also we can tap or select all. And once we have select all the device we want to log out, just tap at bottom and you will be logged out from all the devices at once. So by this way you can log out from Facebook. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.